APT price prediction as Aptos heads back towards September high, big surge imminent. The Aptos price has jumped by 5% in the past 24 hours, with its surge to $5.48 coming as the market as a whole drops by 1% today. APT is now up by 5% in the past week, while remaining down by 4% in the last 30 days and by 72% since reaching an all-time high of $19.92 in January of this year. But with SushiSwap integrating with Aptos this month, and with the Layer 1 chain continuing to experience steady growth, it's likely that APT will continue to recover over the coming weeks. APT price prediction as Aptos heads back towards September high, big surge imminent. APT's rally today has been long overdue, given just how oversold the altcoin had been in recent weeks. Its relative strength index, Purple, had remained below 40 if not lower since the middle of August, yet this past weekend it has climbed beyond 50 in a sign of growing momentum that could persist for several more days yet. That APT has plenty of room to rise further before becoming overbought is also indicated by its 30-day moving average, which is still a long way below its 200-day average blue, meaning that it's still very much in oversold and undervalued territory. Yet it's clear that the coin had definitely bottomed out prior to today's movement, with its support level now rising steadily. As such, now really looks like a good time to buy APT, which could potentially return to $5.75 or higher before its current rally slows down in the shorter term. Aptos is rising now largely because of two things, with the first simply being that it had been undervalued for a while. Yet it's also worth acknowledging that Aptos has been expanding as a platform, with its most significant piece of recent news being SushiSwap's integration with its network. This marks SushiSwap's first integration with a non-Ethereum compatible chain, something which can be taken as a sign of confidence in Aptos, which launched in October 2022 out of the ashes of Facebook/Meta's doomed Libra/Deem project. Another significant piece of recent Aptos news relates to APT, the biggest crypto exchange in South Korea, which mistakenly counted fake APT tokens as the real deal over the weekend. It had to pause withdrawals and deposits in APT as it wrestled with this problem, yet it has now opened them up again as it seeks refunds from users who sold the fake Aptos tokens. It's hard to say how this may have benefited APT's price, yet the fact that the latter has surged since the incident may suggest that the market is relieved it has been resolved. Regardless, Aptos' steady growth as a platform points to future gains for APT, which can be expected to reach $6 by the end of the year. New high potential per sale tokens. While APT looks as though it's ready to make up for recent losses, its recovery may depend on improvements to overall market sentiment, which has struggled for consistency this year. For this reason, any gains may be gradual over the next few months, so traders looking for above-average gains in the shorter term may have to look elsewhere. Persist tokens provide one good source of market-beating gains at the moment, with Bitcoin BSC, BTC BSC, new BNB chain-based cryptocurrency, being one of the most promising. Offering a stakeable version of Bitcoin, BTC BSC has raised over $4.8 million since kicking off its sale at the beginning of September. Much like Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin BSC will have a hard cap of 21 million tokens, a feature which should make it deflationary. Interestingly, BTC BSC will also sell during its pre-sale at 99 cents, a price that the original Bitcoin last had way back in 2011. In other words, investors are being drawn to Bitcoin BSC by the opportunity to make up for having missed out on BTC the first time around. 6.125 million Bitcoin BSC will be up for grabs during the pre-sale, with the rest being reserved for staking rewards. This means that holders will be able to earn a passive income from the token, with interested parties able to grab some early by going to the official Bitcoin BSC website and connecting their software wallets. BNB Smart Chain DX will be the first trading platform to list Bitcoin BSC once its sale ends, and from there other exchanges are likely to add their support, pushing the new token well beyond its sale price of 99 cents. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.